Okay guys, I was planning to make a video today in Port Louis, but as you can see it is raining heavily. But I am going to do the video anyway. Let's go. I think it was a bad idea to get out like this. Okay guys, this was a video in my beautiful city of Port Louis and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with other people, and in the comment below mention the name of your city. I would like to know where you come from. Okay, so that's it from me for today in this video. See you in the next one. Take care.